Here we are, South Litchfield Beach, South Carolina. Hurricane Hermine. Yes, she is Hermine. She's Hermine, all right. Look at these surfers. They're not afraid of anything. I'm going to try to get up here close and see if we can catch them right away, Vin. You can see that seas are angry. There goes one. He's got it. He's riding it in. Go, buddy. There's another one. He's up. Oh, he's down. Yeah, we're getting gusts, probably 30, 40 mile gusts, I'd say right now. It's supposed to get 50 to 60. This mighty Atlantic, she's angry all out here. But these guys, they're trained professionals. They might be young, but they can handle this. The tide's out far enough that they can, I'm not too afraid of rip currents with them. I see they're right close to the beach. They do have other spectators. 3 young guys, I'd say under 20 years old, not afraid of this big swells we got. Oh, there they are. Yeah, this will make YouTube. I hope they look it up. I'll call it South Litchfield Beach Surfers. And we got a couple walkers down there. Litchfield Inn. This is one fine oasis. One of my favorite places is the Austin's restaurant, oceanfront upstairs, and the cabana down. Then you look down the coastline at Litchfield by the sea. All the Litchfield in the background, which our visibility right now is not so great. But I think she'll pass. The worst will come in tonight, and just take cover, folks. Take cover. Get you a glass of wine or beer and pizza, and get over. We'll have a lot of fun. Thank you for participating in this video, watching it. I appreciate it. Go to my YouTube channel. It's Valerie TLC1, and I thank you very much. Good day.